Steyr. We are a Spanish family business with more than 60 years of experience in the hardware and construction sector. With presence in more than 70 countries. We design power tools for professionals, which are at the forefront of cutting-edge techniques that guarantee high efficiency, allowing us to achieve our main objective: offer the best solutions to our customers. We are specialized in the manufacture and distribution of diamond discs, abrasives, power tools, and inverter welding equipment. We work together for our products to reach the highest quality standards. Our team of specialized technicians and engineers are responsible for developing, innovating, and providing improvements in each production process, focused on the most advanced technologies, ensuring the highest quality in each of our products, and that each tool complies with the health and safety regulations. We have a catalog of products with more than 10,000 references. For us, customer is our priority, which is why professionals have been using our tools for years. We have several operational centers in Spain, Portugal, and Italy, and numerous international partners. Our goal is to serve any product in less than 48 hours. To accomplish this, logistics and processes have been digitalized with intelligent warehouses and new operating software. Our technological commitment is a guarantee of safety and reliability. We are committed to the talent of a team that does not stop growing. Because in Steyr, we are humility and sincerity. We are passion and dedication. We guarantee quality and service to our customers. We are commitment and closeness. Because Steyr is you.